ferry disabled, more than 100 passengers evacuated, Philippines. Ferry MELRIVIC 2 with 126 passengers and crew, and 14 vehicles on board, suffered engine failure in the morning Jan 19 while en route from Isabel town, western Leyte Island, to Danao City, Cebu Island, Philippines, reported SunStar Cebu. Disabled ferry started to drift, being north of Camotes Islands. Philippines Navy and CG managed to evacuate all passengers and deliver them to Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. Status and condition of ferry unknown, AIS is absent. On Philippines Navy photo disabled MELRIVIC 2. Passenger Ro-Ro cargo ship, LCT, MELRIVIC 2, IMO 7,855,399, GT 334, built 1973, flag Philippines, operator AZNAR Shipping, Cebu.